Have you ever heard that particles can be in two places at once, or that a cat can be both dead and alive? Welcome to the world of quantum mechanics, where nothing is as it seems. In this video, we'll break down the basics of quantum mechanics, the science that governs the tiniest particles in the universe. So, what is quantum mechanics? Put simply, quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of matter and light on the smallest scales. Think electrons, photons, and other subatomic particles. In the everyday world, we expect objects to behave predictably, but in the quantum world, the rules are completely different. Particles don't have definite positions or speeds until we observe them. They can be in multiple states at once, which leads to some pretty mind-blowing phenomena. One of the key concepts in quantum mechanics is wave-particle duality. It turns out that particles like electrons and even light don't just behave as particles, they also behave as waves. Take light, for example. Sometimes it behaves like a wave, spreading out and interfering with itself, as we see in the famous double-slit experiment. But other times, light acts like a particle, with photons behaving like tiny energy packets. It's like light is both a particle and a wave at the same time. This is one of the strangest yet most important ideas in quantum mechanics. This brings us to superposition, another mind-boggling concept in quantum mechanics. Let's talk about Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment that explains superposition. Imagine a cat inside a box with a deadly poison that's released based on a random quantum event. Until you open the box and observe the cat, it's both alive and dead at the same time. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. This is called superposition. Now let's talk about something that even Einstein called spooky action at a distance: quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, their properties are linked, no matter how far apart they are. If you measure the state of one particle, you instantly know the state of the other, even if it's on the other side of the universe. It seems like these particles can communicate faster than light, but this doesn't violate any physical laws. This is just how entanglement works in the quantum world. So, does quantum mechanics only exist in the realm of theory? Not at all. Quantum mechanics plays a huge role in modern technology. For example, your smartphone's camera sensors, lasers, and even MRI machines all rely on principles of quantum physics. And in the future, quantum computers might revolutionize the world by solving problems that are impossible for today's computers to handle. We're already using quantum principles in cryptography, teleportation experiments, and more. Quantum mechanics may sound strange and even a little spooky, but it's one of the most important theories in physics. It helps us understand the universe on the tiniest scales and powers much of the technology we use today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. Let us know in the comments what other science topics you'd like to explore.